Hello everyone. In today's video, let's take a look at yet another YouTuber whose sole purpose is to scam victims out of their Ethereum coins. Sadly, this isn't new. These kinds of scams are everywhere, and honestly, it feels like YouTube has no real security measures in place to filter them out. This time, the channel is called Only Trust Crypto. At the time of this video, the channel has only 54 subscribers, but that scam video already has almost 5,000 views. The title of the video, Free Earn Ethereum 0.05 every 1 minute. Now, here's an honest and logical question. Why would someone make a video like this if they could really earn that much Ethereum every minute? They'd be a millionaire in no time, so why bother sharing it? And more importantly, why doesn't YouTube flag videos with titles and content like this automatically? While those questions could be answered, let's be real, it's pointless. Nothing will change in YouTube's policy, and scammers will always find a way to come back. The only thing we can do is expose as many of these scams as possible and raise awareness, so others don't fall into the trap. So let's get into it and review how this YouTuber is trying to scam people. We won't go through his video step by step, but instead we'll break down his method based on the description he provided. Like with most crypto scams, this one also requires you to have MetaMask installed. According to his instructions, the next step is to grab some code from pastebin.com. Now, while Pastebin itself is a legitimate site, it's commonly used by scammers to share scripts designed to steal your data or crypto. After that, you're told to run the code on codepen.io, again a legit platform, but just like with Pastebin, running unverified code here can be incredibly risky. You might unknowingly expose your wallet or give a scammer full access to your Ethereum. So let's open the code URL and take a look at what's inside. The code behind this so-called dApp is actually a phishing website, disguised to look like a legitimate Ethereum-based application. But its real goal is to drain the user's Ethereum balance by making it appear as if you're interacting with a valid smart contract. At first glance, you'll see a connect button. This links your MetaMask wallet. This part is real, and that's important because it's step one in the scam. Make it look legitimate. The interface shows fake UI elements like my contract, my second address, liquidity, all of which are designed to simulate a real DeFi smart contract dashboard. But here's the trick. There are hidden buttons and inputs that only become visible once the user connects their wallet. The only real functionality in this scam is the MetaMask wallet connection. It's used to gain the user's trust by mimicking how a real dApp would behave. The script includes timers and fake status messages like waiting, ready, confirm, all to simulate contract validation and build false confidence. This is classic deception, designed to set the stage before the actual attack. Now for the real danger. The script constructs the scammer's Ethereum address right in front of your eyes, but in a sneaky way. It passes several constant strings through a KYC function to convert them into hexadecimal format. These hex values are then concatenated to form a full Ethereum address. The final result, stored in a variable called RA, becomes the scammer's address. Then the attack begins. The script reads the full Ethereum balance of the connected wallet. It calculates the gas cost, subtracts it from the total, and then sends everything else to the scammer's address. There's no smart contract interaction at all. This is just a raw Ethereum transfer. And to make things worse, at the end, the site shows a fake error about low liquidity and instructs the user to contact the scammer on Telegram, another favorite platform for crypto fraud. In summary, it uses real MetaMask APIs, no real smart contract interaction, simulates a DeFi app to mislead the user, uses delays and fake validation steps, and drains the user's wallet by sending funds directly to the scammer. This is a scam, a wallet drainer disguised as a decentralized app UI. Never interact with any site asking you to validate liquidity or perform actions without showing a proper smart contract address, audit details, or verification from a known source. Now, let's take a look at the Ethereum address used by the scammer. As you can see, fortunately no one has interacted with the script yet, and no funds have been lost. At least, not at the time of recording. That's great news. But since the YouTube video is still live as of today, It's really just a matter of time before someone falls victim to this scam. Of course, we can report the video to YouTube. They might remove it, or they might not. And even if they do, it could take a long time. Besides, the scammer could simply create a new channel, upload the same video with a different address, and continue the cycle. I really hope this video was educational and helpful. Please, stay vigilant, stay safe, and always double-check what you're connecting your wallet to. Until my next video, bye for now.